This is an old stencil, but it's still one of my favorites. So we get questions about it because it's a little bit confusing to look at. This one is called the Layered Flower Stencil. And you can start with either flower. It totally does not matter. And I'll ink the first flower with cornflower blue. So I'll just put this on my tag. Press, twist, and turn is what I like to do. And that will fill in those areas really easily. When I lift this up, I'll have a cute one-layer flower. You could cut this out if you wanted to. You could do this on Clearly for Art, cut it out and make it moldable, but it's a really cute flower. Now if I switch to the other flower and change colors, this is where the magic happens. So I'll switch to Orange Blossom, another archival color, and I'm going to line this up. Once it's lined up, you'll see that it completely covers up everything that we just stenciled. You can line it up a little bit offset if you want to, and that gives it a really kind of a funky look. So I'll go ahead and press, twist, and turn, this time with my Orange Blossom ink. And you can see 2 seconds and you're done. This is a very quick one, but it's really a cute one. And now I have a multicolored flower. Pretty easy, right? Give it a try. This is the Layered Flower Stencil, an oldie but a goodie.